This is Abhinandan. It's about 5:45 p.m. 5:45 p.m. on 9th September 2024. This is the view from the kitchen. Now, that is Pacific Ocean. Can you see that blue mark over there? The blue mark in between? That's the Pacific Ocean. It is about 5 minutes walk from here. From last 2 days, I was addicted. Not for cocoa leaves, not for the cocaine leaves. Here, cocaine leaves, they make tea, but I'll tell you what I was addicted for. This is Abhinandan. I'm wearing a mask, and tell me why I'm wearing a mask. Okay? Now, this is the washing machine here, the cooking, everything. I just off the light, but I'm going out. 2 days I did not go out. I was sitting here, so I've decided tomorrow is my birthday. I'm not going to watch the Narcos, the Pablo Escobar, what is that TV serial? So I thought, let me go out. Wait, the light is on. Okay, let me go out and continue with the recording. This is the place where I'm staying. So for 2 days, I was addicted to that Narcos TV serial, though I've seen that 3 days continuously when I'm in Bangalore, and that was a little different. It was the same, but they had cut a lot of things. So I decided now, tomorrow being my birthday, I decided that I should read one chapter of the book. And he's the owner who is going over there. I just stopped to interrupt. I just talked to him. He is a teacher. He is a faculty in an English training institute. Okay, he is the owner of the place, and so that side is the Pacific Ocean, and I should make some new resolutions for 20, 25, 26 from my birthday. One is reading a book every day, one chapter, at least 10 sheets, 10 pages. So I'll start with Atomic Habits, the book which is there. This is the area where I stay. Okay, San Miguel. Okay, this is next door. See here and all, they put notice board for house rent and all. What I am paying is for Airbnb. So I'm just going out. I've done this kind of recording. I do not know whether I've uploaded. This is the Indian Auto, TVS. Okay, so for 2 days I had not come out. Stupid fellow. It was cold also, but now it is little warm. Today it is little warm, and what I thought is, and the vegetables finished. So I thought, let me walk to Magdalena. Magdalena is about half an hour walk from here. Magdalena is a place. See, everywhere they'll put flyer, brochure like this. This is the leg. My device will work over here. If I just take this one, see, this is about everywhere they'll put stickers like this. Can you see? These are all stickers. Stickers in the footpath. This is a kind of marketing. If I contact these people, and if they are rich people, this is very good for my health device. Okay, now let me talk for some time. What I will do is, 2 days was a waste of time. Though I was sitting and working, I was creating a different kind of presentation for 201 rupees to make people pay 201 rupees or 3 USDT. So I created a new presentation from last 4-5 days without going outside. For 2 days I was addicted to this. Now this is around this concrete jungle, what you see all the stickers like this. Okay, the stickers, because of rain and walking, it becomes white. Now this is a historical site. This is probably more than 1500 years ago. People lived here. So like this, a lot of places. These were their houses. Now it is all fallen. 1500. This is not a tree. That's not a real tree. It's a pillar. Okay. I don't know what is the announcement they make. So this is more than 1500 years old. There's a security for that. Okay. To guard this place. And there's a history written over there for that. So everywhere in the center of the cities they'll have like this, because of it is a historical place. Do you speak English, sir?
No.
No. I was seeing this. How old is this? Okay. He does not speak English, but it is written over there, some 1500 years old. So people lived here. So this is a park here. If I go this side, there's a very big shopping mall, Totus. I went over there to buy Kuna or Kunya, whatever it is called, like our millet, was once very dirt cheap here in Peru. Because they started exporting to USA and Europe, it has become 13 sols, about 4, 8, 3, not 12, about 4 US dollar, about Indian rupees 300 rupees per kg. I'm one of the person who go gets it. Now which side should I go? Okay, it's not very cold today. So this is the area where I stay, San Miguel. This side should I go? I'm thinking which side should I go. If I go down, I get the beach. 5 minutes walk. If I go this side, let me go from the main road side only, though it will be a little far. So this is Abhinandan. Abhinandan on because of cold. I'm a little bit running nose. Okay. And I thought I'll wear a mask because the cold. I wanted to take that woolen clothes, but I still have not found. Tomorrow I'll go to the city center on my birthday. There is a Satya Sai Baba temple here. I sent a message to that lady, one of the number which was there. She gave me some address and today it is there. Some bhajan or something, 6 o'clock. She did not give a proper address, so I did not go. These are all residential areas. So now, I have never, only Mirapolis, I stayed there for 7 days. After I came here, I'm only exploring this area. So tomorrow I'll go to the town center. It's very nice when you watch on the YouTube videos of someone else. I'll send that video. But what I was saying is, this is our Indian auto, TVS. See, TVS or Bajaj. Can you see this? Bajaj. Okay. The lady is driving it. Very old Indian auto. That is also. So I can't believe now I'm there in Peru, Lima. Last year I was in Richmond, Virginia, USA, 2024. 2023 I was in Bali, Indonesia. 2023 I was in Bali. 2022 I was in Dubai. Okay, 2021 was COVID. 2020 One COVID. Okay, 2022. I think Dubai. 2020. Bangalore. I'd come from US at that time. So this is how it is. See, the center will be very nice like this. Everywhere, like in Spain. They follow little Spain model. Center it will be. So from tomorrow I'll start exploring. Tomorrow I'll do one business presentation, an introductory video to tell people who watch that to pay 200 rupees or 3 USDT, and then if they are interested after paying 201 rupees to join the business. So while I was sitting watching the Pablo Escobar's life story, Narcos. See, that is, I came out to the biggest. Here one mall is there, Tortoise. I can go straight like this to Magdalena. There are a lot of markets, but that is little more commercial place, and I can go here also Tortoise. And I went and got a heater here, room heater. The owner is stunned. I paid, it was less only about 50 sols. 50 sols is 2,000, more than 1,000 rupees. Okay, so that's a main road over there. There's a very big mall called Plaza Miguel. I've been there already. This is one big mall-like place, shopping. So what I'll do right now is I'll stop this and I will take a walk. It is a little bit warm today. So from tomorrow, new resolution, small resolutions. Instead of watching YouTube videos, read a book for 10 pages. Spend 4 hours and 4 hours, 8 hours for work, business. Now I should expand here also some contacts, close all the other pending contacts. So after 10 days, it is going to become spring. So I don't want the video to be much bigger, so I cannot upload on Facebook. I'm going to stop right now, and this is Abhinandan on September 9th. So this is the place. It's a very big mall like Tortoise. A lot of Chinese people are here. 100 years ago who have come. 100 or 150 years ago, Chinese people who moved here, a lot of them are there. So about 500 Indians are there. I found the association, and on Ganesha festival I was here. I should have gone. They had a big Ganesha festival here. The 500 Indian people in the embassy. So I'm going to stop right now. Abhinandan here. That's one mall. I went already.